Welcome to ASMR SHANA. Today, we will gently and safely clean your ears. Sit back, relax, and let the soothing sounds guide you into a state of peace. Let's begin. Why ear cleaning matters. Your ears are self-cleaning, but sometimes excess wax builds up, causing discomfort or muffled hearing. We're going to cleanse your ears in the safest, most relaxing way possible. No harsh tools, just gentle care. Gentle fabric sounds. First, we'll start by wiping the outer ear with a soft, warm cloth. Feel the gentle touch as we remove any dust or buildup from the surface. Soft wiping sound, just a little more, perfect. Safe cleaning techniques. Next, we'll use a few drops of a natural oil, olive oil or almond oil, just to soften the wax inside your ear. Drip, drip, feel the warmth as it seeps in, loosening any buildup. Let's give it a moment to work. Now, let's gently massage around the ear to help the oil distribute. Soft circular rubbing sound, this helps relax the ear canal and ease any tension. Slow and calming voice. It's time for a warm water rinse. Imagine a gentle stream of warm water flowing inside your ear, washing away any softened wax. Soft water trickling sound. Now, we'll tilt your head slightly, letting everything drain out naturally. To dry your ear, we'll softly dab it with a clean cloth. Light fabric patting sound, just a few more gentle pats, there we go. When to see a doctor. If you ever feel ear pain, persistent blockage, or hearing loss, it's best to see a professional. Never insert cotton swabs or sharp objects into your ears, they can push wax deeper and cause damage. Final moments of relaxation. Now that your ears are clean, take a deep breath. Listen to the clarity of sound around you. Doesn't everything feel lighter? Soft exhale. Breathy whisper. Thank you for joining ASMR SHANA.